the CEO. I put 2 years in one. All right, ma'am. About the possibly ADETOUN.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, Mr. Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babatunde, and all other protocol observed. I happen to be a graduate, and later I resigned from my place of employment, and I learned a skill. And I thank God today that I'm an entrepreneur in fashion designing from Ego Center. This program has been an immense benefit to me and to many people around me. And today, like the one I'm putting on, is my own handiwork. I thank the Lord Almighty in heaven for the skill acquired, and I've introduced the Skill Acquisition Center to many people that are also benefiting from it. So I want to appreciate the Commissioner for Women Affairs, Mrs. Cecilia Dada, and to my principal, Mrs. Pagure, and as many. But now I have my own fashion outfit fitted hand, and I'm making well, and I'm helping people to sew clothes. Even people in abroad, they are giving me business. I thank God for it. God bless you.
The people who work for her, Mrs. Obaru, and possibly ADETOUN. I don't know, of all the people who spoke, she's the one my spirit is telling you to bring tithes. Don't forget to pay your tithes money. All of this for free, yes or yes? You can never see for free, yes? Wonderful. Please join your hands for the Lagos State government. It's a turn of the